Crypto coins stay a top decision for financial backers because of their rewarding open doors. While there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout, numerous financial backers see extraordinary possible in different coins. Digital currencies like the torrential slide have turned into a top pick for financial backers. The fame of the torrential slide network has been credited to its vigorous basics and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange velocities and adaptability. With an ongoing return for money invested of 3,337.96%. The organization is definitely worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed fundamentally, offering an astounding possibility for what's in store. Notwithstanding, doing an expected level of effort is crucial prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about authentic value patterns and specialized examination to know the best opportunity to trade your crypto coin. Thus, if you need to put resources into torrential slide and need a point-by-point examination, we have one for you. We will talk about the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can think up an optimal system for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide, AVAX outline. In the first place, we really want to get an outline of the coin to figure out its general advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Hence, it has turned into the top pick for the overwhelming majority financial backers lately. The ongoing cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto environment. The organization has a flow supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide is expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's presently in a solid vertical pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% somewhat recently. This unexpected drop has made the coin turned into a decent purchase, a valuable open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have radically fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2. The Russian intrusion, calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction are only a couple of purposes for torrential slide's extreme cost fall. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed toward speeding up the reception of its inventive subnet usefulness. This permits a rich environment of blockchains to be constructed. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivating force program is to help the improvement of new environments. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets. A WEB3 DApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% on the off chance that the organization's improvements proceed. Be that as it may, assuming that the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the cash devalues, then, at that point, it could drop to $13.76. In view of the potential situations as a whole, the normal cost of the cryptographic money by 2023 could be around $14.745. Financial backers ought to recall that these costs are dependent upon future developments because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is essential to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your speculation. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2024. Specialists and examiners have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024. Since the prevalence and the consciousness of computerized resources would build, the interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. In this manner, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid essentials of the organization could prompt more acknowledgements and new receptions, which would push the cost of the cryptographic money higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolics worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65. In the event that the crypto resource goes through huge liquidations, the cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. In any case, to keep up with its worth, a balance in the exchange practices of the business could assist the digital money with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2025. It is understood in the expectation of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to examine the verifiable information of the digital currency. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. In the event that the altcoin gets impacted by regrettable feelings or administrative limitations, the cost of the digital money could tumble to $22.77. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that it can beat these deterrents, the cost of the digital money could reach $25.31. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and digital currency will increment fundamentally by 2025. In this way, there is a decent opportunity that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion popular for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. Nonetheless, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin in view of these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements and the financial circumstance that will influence the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide, AVAX. Long haul gauge 2030. Since there are no set boundaries or key execution pointers, it turns out to be somewhat difficult to foresee the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Not at all like stock, no monetary records, explanations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By and by, we have gathered information from different examination devices to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most elevated exchanging worth can be around $930, though the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will generally contribute for a lengthy period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide, AVAX value investigation. The torrential slide digital currency was disclosed in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a fast flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 continuously 7-day stretch of February. Nonetheless, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an unequaled high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some high points and low points, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022. The unpredictability of the digital money market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%. Given the ongoing great market cap, this moment is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource, albeit the cost of AVAX has dropped by 4.7%, still a wise speculation for those are hoping to add a couple of currencies to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin varied between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been credited to the rising number of exchanges